homesteaders, gardeners, and cooks. My name is Jennifer. Welcome to Miles Away Farm, or welcome back. It's been a minute. I have a whole bunch of videos that I filmed over the course of the summer and fall that I just hadn't had time to edit. And so I'm going to put those up, and I'm not going to have a lot of introduction to them. I'm going to use this introduction for all of them. And the one thing about my channel is that it's what's called evergreen, which means that this information comes around year after year. And if it's not in season for you now, it will be in season for you later. And most of these recipes could be made from produce that you got a great deal on at the grocery store. So hopefully some of these will be relevant to you as you're going through the winter and looking for fun canning projects. So let's get started. Lots of different projects from this summer and fall.
So I bought about 4 pounds of organic mushrooms from Costco, and I did a bunch of different recipes. This is what you want your mushrooms to look like. This one is a little bit past its prime when the bottom is slightly open. So here they are sliced up, and I thinly sliced these for this quick pickle recipe. This is super easy, you guys. So this is 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, and 1/3 of a cup of rice wine vinegar. And I'm just gonna bring that up to a low simmer so that all that sugar melts. And then here's my sliced up mushrooms. That's a 1 quart jar. And so I should have a volume of liquid that's close to a cup when it's completely melted. I'm just gonna pour that hot marinade over these mushrooms. And mushrooms have a lot of air in them and a lot of water in them. And so they are very quickly going to wilt and shrink down. And you know, I had that jar as full as I could get it. And as soon as that hot brine was on there, they pretty much collapsed. And it was surprising how much they shrunk down from when I started. That's a little pickle pusher I have in there. And then this is just a weight that I use to hold them under the brine. Not completely necessary, but I had it from doing fermentation projects. And I'm just gonna put the lid on that, let that cool on the counter for about an hour, and then throw it in the fridge. And they are good to eat 3 or 4 days after you put the brine on them, and they will hold in the fridge pretty much indefinitely. I have loved these on like a ramen dish. I love them on pizza. They're meaty, they're sweet, they're savory, they're full of umami, just delicious, and a really quick pickle. You can do this with any kind of mushroom. If it's a wild forest mushrooms, I would boil them in the brine first. Thanks for watching, Tribe. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment or share. I have new content coming out whenever I have time.